most. Hello beautiful people, it's Kodi here again, and today I bring to you content. And what better content than my say sweet self. If you're just stopping by on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down there, and also turn your post notification bell to get notified any single time I post a video. So guys, I have like a special guest here with me. But before that, and this video subscriber shout out goes to Amadi Adeze. Oh god, she is like a lovely subscriber and I can't love her. Don't forget to leave a comment and also share and like, and also follow me on all my social media handles, which are all like Kodi signature special guest. I am here with the lovely Kiki. Hey guys, today we are going to be doing the powder challenge, and also we're going to like be mixing it a little. We're going to also be using the who is more likely to questions, but kind of with the powder challenge. I didn't only browse because of this video. Like there's no point wasting it. Stay right now. Oh, but I don't like this thing. Okay, ask this time. Oh, okay. Stop.
Who is more jealous? Who is more patient? Who sleeps more? Who is more affectionate? Who is more disorganized?
You too.
Who is on social media more?
Oh god. You don't remove my wig.
Who complains the most?
Jesus.
Who is late more often?
It's you. Oh.
Who spends the most?
Oh, I just didn't do that for my own.
Who is more playful? Who is more friendly? Who procrastinates the most?
Oh.
Who is more annoying? Who is the sensitive one?
It's me. No, I'm not sensitive. You are.
Who is likely to get arrested?
You. You have been arrested.
Who will get married first?
I know that.
Who's gonna get pregnant first?
Oh gosh.
Who's the best dancer? Who has the cleanest room? Who's the best advisor?
Oh, my wig.
Who is most likely to cry in a sad movie? Who is a drama queen? Who is a better cook? Who sings in the shower? Who is hungry 247? Who is most likely to drop their phone just after they bought it? Who asks stupid questions? Most likely to get a tattoo?
He's lost now.
Who is mostly likely to have lots of piercing?
Oh, okay.
Who takes more selfie? Who worries about small things? Who is best at maths? Who forgets birthdays and anniversaries? Who is most likely to get married to a celebrity?
I know it's me. It's me.
Who spends their money on something stupid?
Let's go.
Who is the elderly one? Who has fought in primary school?
I did that for you. That is fine. Don't look bad. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We both look like mad people right now. I don't even know how I did this video. I don't even, she off my wig like how many times. Hey, please, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment and turn on your post notifications to get notified anytime we post a new video.